Hello class, this week we've been working on adding two-digit numbers. So today I want to teach you how to add three-digit numbers. We know that three-digit numbers have three digits in the number. An example of a three-digit number could be 241, or a number that we are more familiar with, like 120 or 105. Those are all three-digit numbers. So what happens when we want to add them together? Let's talk about that today. Let's say I have the number 102 plus 110. Okay? My first step is to build those numbers. And a way to make sure that I can organize how I build these numbers is I'm going to make my chart like this. I have hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's first build this number, 102. 102 has two ones, it has 0 tens, so I'm not going to put anything in the tens place, and it has 100. So I'm going to put 100s flat. Let's look at this. The number 110 has 0 ones. So do I need to put any more ones here? I don't, because there are 0 ones. The number 110 has 110. So I need to add 110 because that's what we're doing. We're adding. Now the number 110 also has 100. So I'm going to add another hundreds flat. Okay, now let's count up how many of these things we have all together, okay? Let's see, do I only have 100s flat? No, I have 100s flat, 200s flats. I have 200s flat, so I'm going to start with my hundreds and go to 2. How many 10 sticks do I have all together? I have 1 10 stick now. How many ones do I have all together? I have 2 ones. So I know that 102 plus 110 equals 212. Let's do one more example. Okay, let's try 112 plus 121. Okay? All right. Now these numbers are very similar to each other, but they're a little bit different. So let's take a look at how different they are. Let's start with this first number, 112. 112 has how many ones? That's right, it has 2 ones. So I'm going to add 2 ones here. 112 has how many tens? It has 1 10. So I'm going to put a 1 stick here. 112 has how many hundreds? It only has 100. So I'm going to put 100s flat right here. Now we have to add the number 121, which means that I'm not going to take off any of these blocks. I'm going to keep them there, and instead I'm going to add more blocks on. How many ones does 121 have? That's right, it has 1 1. How many tens does 121 have? It has 2 tens, so I'm going to add 2 more tens. How many hundreds does 121 have? It has 100. So I'm going to add another hundreds flat. Okay? Now we need to figure out how much does it equal to? And we're going to count up all the hundreds, tens, and ones all together to find out how many it is all together, okay? So let's count up all the ones first. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 ones. Now the ones go all the way to the left, so I'm going to leave some space here for the tens and hundreds, okay? All right, how many tens do we have? Let's count up how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tens. Let's see how many hundreds we have. 1, 2. We have 200s. So we know that the numbers 112 plus 121 is equal to 233. Thank you for watching.